So the first method is to restart your PC or Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to use different launch options. So you need to launch the game with ARK no BattleEye anti-cheat or launch ARK DirectX 10. So for that, you simply need to click on play option and then select play ARK no BattleEye anti-cheat, or you select launch ARK DirectX 10. So check each of them, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution resolves the error you are coming across. Next is to uninstall BattleEye and launch the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, click on browse option over here, and then click on shooter game binaries Win64 BattleEye, and here you need to click on uninstall underscore BattleEye. Select it, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then again click on yes. So this will uninstall the BattleEye. After that, go to Steam, select your game, click on play option over here, then click on play, and this will install the BattleEye once again, and you will get a notification like this to simply install the BattleEye. So after installing, now try to play the game and check if the error is resolved or not. The next method is to uninstall and reinstall BattleEye. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now go to the install files, then click on browse, and here you will land to the game folder where it has been installed. Click on shooter games binaries Win64 BattleEye, and here you need to uninstall BattleEye. So simply right click on it, click on run as administrator, then click on OK. So this will uninstall the BattleEye. Again install it. So select install underscore BattleEye, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then click on yes. So this will uninstall and reinstall BattleEye, and after that check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then the next is to install the latest patch or update game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, and here you can see if there is any update available. If there is an update, simply update your game, and after that check if this has resolved the issue or not. Next is to set beta participation to ASC pre-aquatica. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, go to the betas, and in the beta participation you need to select pre-aquatica, ASC pre-aquatica. So select it, and after that try to play the game and check if it's work. If it doesn't, then simply come back and again select it none, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library, right click on it, click on properties, and then click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if it has resolved the issue. Next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to search option, search for device manager, then expand display adapters, right select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So if there is already installed driver, so it will tell you that the best drivers for your device is already installed. If not, simply update your drivers, and after that try to play the game and check if it resolves the issue. Players who have NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, for them I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it and download your latest graphics card, and after that try to launch the game and check if the error is resolved or not. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then under general, here you need to type -DX11, and after that check if the error is fixed. If not, then type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the issue. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, click on browse, and this will take you to the game folder. Click on shooter games, binaries, Win64, and from here you need to select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, then go to the compatibility, and here click on run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After this, check if the error is fixed or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to search option over here, search for check for updates. Here you should see if there is any update available for your Windows after you update your Windows to the latest version. Now check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. Next is to run command prompt and paste these commands in the command prompt. So for that, you need to go to search option over here, search for command prompt, or simply type command prompt. After that, copy these commands one by one, simply copy it and then paste over here. After that, again copy the next one and then paste it, and finally this one, copy it and paste it, enter, and yes. So after this, try to play the game and check if this solution has resolved the issue. If not, then the final solution suggested is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and simply click on uninstall option over here. So this will uninstall or remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your system once. Once your system restarts, now launch Steam, reinstall the game that you are facing problem, and after that try to launch the game and check the error that you are coming across is resolved or not. So these are few suggested methods that will surely help to fix the error you are coming across while playing a ARK survival evolved game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.